From 1451 to 1790, gold has completed its bull's rally in 5-wave wedge pattern. This week, gold hit upper trend line of this wedge and found resistance at 1789. This wedge is also part of a triangle with blue baseline at 1445. Since gold completed its all 5 wave at 1789, there is trend reversal on daily chart with bearish engulfing pattern. Downside breakout of lower trend line of this wedge will confirm new bearish trend. Since gold is trending in this triangle for months, seller will target for 1451 to 1445. Guideline on how to join the trend. As seen clearly on daily chart, we have upside resistance at 1790 and 1803. One of them is already tested, so put your SL above these resistance. On downside movement, we have first resistance at 1765. The clear breakout of 1747 and 1744 resistance will lead gold to 1703. Technical level as well as psychological mark. After breakout of ascending blue trend line followed by 1744 horizontal resistance will confirm bearish trend for swing trading. You can target for 1451. Because we are in fifth wave of bullish trend started from 1046. You don't need to take any screenshot or write any number, because we have written entire blog post for you. It is not possible to make YouTube video every time breakout happen or when particular chart pattern complete, but we can do that every second in Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel member got instant update yesterday when gold hit 1789 and they joined the trend on the right moment. You can join our Telegram channel for instant update on price action.